Hello children, today we are going to start with the nomenclature of hydrocarbon containing functional group. Now in functional group we have to study these are the functional group. First one is OH, second one is CHO, C double bond O and then H. That is the functional group of aldehyde. Third one is C double bond OOH, means COOH. This functional group name is carboxylic acid. Next one, C double bond O. Now these two hands are free. With these hands there will be a carbon chain, and this functional group is known as ketone. Next one, ROR. R means nothing but carbon chain, means with this O will be in the middle and both sides there will be a carbon chain. So this functional group is known as ether. Next one is again R dash, means both carbon chains are different and in between these two carbon chains there will be COO, and this functional group is known as esters. So first let's start with the first functional group, OH. Now I am taking the examples. Just I will do only with OH. You don't have to consider now this. Okay. So whatever the topics I am doing now first, that is related to alcohol. Okay. Now this is, you can see this hands, this dash I have written, that is means it is a hand, means this bond will be attached with carbon chain. Now carbon chain means in my previous video I have already named that if it is one carbon then it is meth, if it is two carbon is there in the chain then it is eth, 3 carbon is there then it is prop, and 4 carbon it is there but. Mostly 5 till 5 carbon chain you have to do in according to your syllabus. So let's start with the first carbon. First carbon means that is meth. So if I am taking one carbon in the chain, that hands to be satisfied, means 4 hands, 1, 2, 3, 4 hands. So 4 hands is there and it is attached with OH functional group, that is alcohol functional group. So this name, what will be the name of this structure? For alcohol we are taking suffix as all. So what it will be? It is methane, one carbon is there. So first I will write it, methane, A-N-E, methane, because one carbon and all are single bond. So single bond, for that it is N-A-N-E. Along with this, as it is OH functional group there is there, so plus OH, plus OL. For OH suffix come all. Now E and O both are vowels, so I will omit this E. So what will be the name? Name is methanol. Name is methanol. So like that I will now draw, and I expect that if you understand then you can write till 5 carbon chain. Next carbon, how many carbon I will take? I will take 2 carbon and functional group is OH. Now then satisfy the hands, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 hands satisfied for this carbon. For this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hands satisfied. Now put hydrogen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 hydrogen is there. So same way the suffix will be all. So if it is 2 carbon, what will be the name? It is eth, means it is ethane. Ethane, A-N-E, plus all, same method, E will be omitted. So the name will be ethanol. With this you can write that in bracket, you can write the formula also, structure as well as formula. If you write, what it will be the formula? How many carbon? 3 carbon, so it is CH3 dash, means bond OH. So this is the formula of ethanol. methanol. Then next is how many carbon? 2 carbon. So I will write C2. Hydrogen how many? 5 hydrogen. H5 along with this OH. So this. Now formula along with the structure you can write the formula for this carbon. How many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen. So it is CS3. Functional group is OH. So OH formula will be CS3OH for methanol. Similarly for ethanol, how many carbon? Carbon is 2 carbon, 2 carbon. Hydrogen is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 OH. So the formula of ethanol is C2H5OH. Third one is carbon is 3, C3H. Hydrogen is 7. Hydrogen is 7 along with the functional group OH. The formula is C3H7OH and name will be prop. As it is 3 carbon, so it is propane plus all E will be omitted, so it is propanol. What will be for 4 carbon? Write 4 carbon and OH. OH is functional group. Hence you satisfied with hydrogen. So how many hydrogen? Total hydrogen is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total hydrogen is 9. C4H9OH. For 4 carbon, if it is in chain 4 carbon is there, name will be but. So it is butane plus all O will be omitted. So the name will be butanol. This all about the nomenclature of alcohol. Alcohol functional group is done. Thank you. Next one is, this is alcohol is over. Now next one we are going to study with aldehyde. For aldehyde, remember the suffix we are considering, that is L. L. So the first carbon, if you choose the first carbon, now see here, already in the functional group there is one carbon is present. So the first carbon which contains this functional group, one carbon containing this functional group, is 8. This functional group, we cannot write here C because then it will be 2 carbon. So it is there, so we have to satisfy the hands. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and this will be only hydrogen. So what will be the formula for this? Formula for this is HCHO. HCHO. Along with the name, so 1 carbon, so the nomenclature will be meth, means methane, plus suffix is Al. So Al, again same here, same concept. E and A is vowel, so E will be omitted. So the nomenclature will be methanal. Methanal. If it is 1 carbon, along with this you have to concentrate that what is the functional group. Then you choose what will be its suffix. So this is the functional group. Suffix is L, means this structure is for aldehyde, and as it is 1 carbon, so the name will be methanal. Same way you write for second carbon, 2 carbon, and this carbon contain this functional group. This is actually the functional group wala carbon. So satisfy the hands. This is already hands are satisfied, so only this carbon has to be satisfied. So what is the formula now for this? Formula is CH3. See, this carbon is 3 hydrogen and CHO. CH3CHO. So the name will be, as it is 2 carbon, so the name will be ethanal. Same way the ethane plus L, so it is ethanal. Ethanal. E-T-H-A-N-E. E will be omitted and A-L. Third carbon is, again you write 3 carbon, last carbon containing functional group. So this is the functional group. CHO is the functional group. Here also CHO is the functional group. So hence these carbons hence are already satisfied. Satisfy the hydrogen carbon for other carbon with hydrogen. So this is, I have already satisfied now. So what will be the formula for this? How many carbon? 3 carbon. So I will not consider this. I will write that CHO together. So these 2 carbon I will write. How many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen. So CH3. This carbon how many hydrogen? 2 hydrogen. So CH2. And this is CHO group. CHO. This one is CH3, CH2, CHO, or you can write C2H5CHO. That is also correct. So if that will be confusing, then you write for this CH3, CH2 and CHO. This is the name will be propanol. Propanol. Propane plus L, propanol. E will be omitted, so it is propanol. So this all about for butanol. You can write, you try for that. If you have any confusion, you can ask me. So this is all about for aldehyde. So 2 functional group I have done. One is alcohol, another one is aldehyde. Thank you. Next one is carboxylic acid. So for carboxylic acid, the suffix is oic acid. Oic acid. Okay. So same way we will start. First one, the carbon is already, first carbon is already there in the functional group. So only you have to satisfy the hence C double bond O, OH. This is the functional group. In the functional group already carbon is there. So you have to satisfy the hand, that is H. So as it is 1 carbon, so the name will be methanoic acid. Methane, ANE plus oic acid. Oic acid. So it is methanoic acid. Methanoic acid. Formula, you write the formula HCOOH. This is the formula of methanoic acid. Second one, 2 carbon CCOOH. This carbon already hands are satisfied. This carbon will contain 3 hydrogen. So the formula will be CH3COOH. This is the formula of, so 2 carbon. So what will be the name? Ethanoic acid. Ethane plus oic acid. So it is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. Next one is 3 carbon. Write 3 carbon. This carbon will contain functional group COOH. COOH. Satisfy hands. So this is CH3, CH2, COOH. This is the formula and name will be propanoic acid. 3 carbon, that's why propane, and E will be omitted, so it is propanoic acid. Same way for butane, for 4 carbon, that is 4 carbon you will write last carbon, that is contains COOH group, so it will be 4 carbon, so formula will be CH3, CH2, CH2, COOH, and name will be butanoic acid. So this all about functional group carboxylic acid. One thing I would like to mention, see all the functional group what I am writing at the terminal carbon, means last carbon. So functional group is writing at the end. Always remember, these are all nomenclature I have written. The groups I am attaching that with the last carbon, terminal carbon. Thank you. Next one is ether. Now in this functional group you can see there are two R group, R dash, and at the center there is oxygen. So this is little bit different. This is not carbon. So that's why the suffix is considered or written as alkoxyalkane. Alkoxyalkane. See here two alkyl groups. So two L group is there. Why? Because two R groups are there. Now if I consider this as carbon, this is one, another carbon. Both are different because this is separated by one oxygen group. It is not a carbon chain. So the structure I am writing, this is one CH3O CH3. Now both are CH3, but we cannot write it is at the ethane because these two carbon are separated by one oxygen group. So one will be attached with, in the nomenclature, one will be attached with oxygen, another will be only alkyl group. So which is attached with oxygen, that is called as alkoxy. So here it is, one R group is methane, this is also methane. So this R group is known as methoxy and this is alkane, so it is methane. Alkoxyalkane, methoxy, methane. So the nomenclature will be written as methoxy methane. Now the question is, with whom this oxy group will attach? Remember, this is a rule. The oxy group will attach with the carbon content. The oxy group will attach with R group contain less carbon. Less carbon. Next example I am writing. This side I am writing CH3 CH2O CH3. Now see here, this is one R, this is another R. This is R, this is R dash. Now this R contain two carbon, this R contain one carbon. So nomenclature will be what I said, oxy group will attach with the R group contain less carbon. So this is less carbon, this is higher number of carbon. So the oxy group will be attached with this R. So what it will be the nomenclature? Methoxy, and this is two carbon, so it is ethane. So it is, the nomenclature will be methoxy ethane. Here no problem because both R group are same number of carbon, so it is, that's why it is methoxy methane. But when the R groups are different, R groups are not same, that time you have to think the oxy group will attach with R group contain less carbon. Next one, if it is C2H5, I am writing in a condensed form, C2H5O, again C2H5. So both are same, so no problem. So what it will be, the nomenclature will be this, nomenclature will be ethoxy ethane. Ethoxy ethane. So this is the, in the book you will not get higher difficult one. This is the simple way they will ask. So this all the groups which I have written are groups, different R groups. You can practice in that. This much only there in your syllabus. Thank you. Okay, next one is ketone. For ketone, the suffix will be ONE, on. Let's start with the carbon. First carbon, that is carbon 1, that will not be possible because in the functional group already carbon is there. So if I will write that R as hydrogen, this is the first carbon. So this is only contain one carbon. So this is the structure of aldehyde, not the structure of ketone. So it is not possible. So I cannot write for carbon 1. So I have to start with the R group should contain carbon. So it will start C double bond O, CH3, CH3. So these two are R group. So you can see that there is a 3 carbon in the chain. So 3 carbon means the nomenclature will be propane plus suffix is one, ONE, on. E will be omitted because both are vowel. So the nomenclature will be propanone. Propanone. You can give in your textbook you can see the propane, it is in the second carbon because either you count from here, so it is 1, 2, 3, or you count from this side 1, 2, 3. So the ketonic group, it is coming in the second carbon. So you can write for propanone, you can write propan dash 2-one. Both are correct. If you take another carbon, means carbon 4, so ketone group will be at the middle. It cannot be at the terminal end. Why? Because we cannot write this ketonic group in the center, in the terminal end, means this end or this end. It will be always at the center. So that's why it will be at the center. This side R groups can be increased. So here R group is, this R is CH3, this R is CH3 and CH2. This time I am not writing in a bond structure, I am writing in a condensed form. So what will be the nomenclature for this? If I count from here 1, 2, 3, 4. Why I am counting from this side? Because from this side the ketonic group is coming to the second carbon. If I will give the numbering from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, then ketone group is coming in the third carbon, which is not possible. So this is wrong counting. This is the correct counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the ketonic group is coming in the second carbon. So the nomenclature will be butan dash 2-one. Why it is 2 on this one? Another structure you can write because it is in the middle. So middle will be, this carbon is also in the middle, this carbon is also in the middle. So if I write, or I can write CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. That means this side R group is CH2, CH3, this side R group is only CH3. So numbering counting will start from this side 1, 2, 3, 4. Because if I am counting from this side, this ketonic group is coming in the third carbon. So which is wrong counting. So it is the correct numbering. So this nomenclature will also come as a butan 2-one. 4 carbon, so but, and it is coming in the second, ketonic group is coming in the second carbon. So it is butan 2-one. This all about the ketonic group, the nomenclature of the ketonic group. You can try for pentan 2-one, pentan 2-one. You can write this structure by yourself to understand this. Okay, so this all about ketone nomenclature. These two we have done, ketone and ether, and the last one is ester. The nomenclature, in the structure you can see this. In ester functional group there will be R group, that is again the same like this. R group contain carbon, this is also R dash contain carbon, and in the center there is functional group contain carbon. So it will again, if you write the suffix will not related like alcohol, aldehyde or carboxylic acid. It will be little bit different. The suffix will be alkyl, alkanoate. Now in this alkanoate, this is name. This oate is actual suffix. Now with whom this oate will attach? With this is one R, this is another R. So with whom this oate will attach? You see here, if this is carbon, this carbon is attached with the functional group, direct attached with the functional group. But this R is attached with this O, not carbon. So this one will be separated as alkyl. This will be separated as alkyl, and this whole thing it will be written as alkanoate. This is the only thing you have to understand. The which is separated due to oxygen, that R group will be considered as alkyl. The another R which is attached with directly attached with carbon, that will be considered as alkanoate. Now I will write the structure. So this structure I am writing. This R group I am writing CH3. Then functional group C double bond O, and this is again R dash is also CH3. So what I will write, this is alkyl, so this will be what? Methyl. And in this chain how many carbon? 2 carbon, so it is related to ethane. So what will be the another name? The suffix, according to suffix, what will be the name? The name will be ethanoate, alkanoate, ethanoate. Similarly, if this side I am writing increasing this R group, I am increasing by 1 carbon. So this is CH3, C double bond O dash CH2, CH3. So 1 carbon I have increased, this side R, this is R dash, this is R. So this R dash is I have increased by 1 carbon. So now what it is, this is separated because of oxygen, so it will be considered as alkyl. So how many carbon? This is 2 carbon, so the nomenclature will be ethyl. And this side also how many carbon? 2 carbon, and suffix is alkanoate, so what it will be the nomenclature? Ethanoate. Ethanoate. So this all about, this only 2 example you practice, because in the book it is I think till propane is there, so it is ethyl propanoate it may be, or propyl propanoate it may be. It will not increase more than 4 carbon. It will not go more than 4 carbon. So you practice your 10 years question paper related to this nomenclature, and if you have any doubt you message me. Thank you.